Watch what going right about now, Gaza Nation. Then, after 10 star, run over Love Lane TV. You see what I say? Because the general drop a video. And I say, what that? Trickle to a root boy. But I go over there go bless up Love Lane because here we go. The general say him do a look minor. The general say him do a look minor research, see? And find out a ramping shop still up on the iTunes top 100 chart. You see what I say? And I say, what Love Lane? And that a go on. So I left a comment over there. You see what I deal with? Yo, remember, you know, I love Lane channel, you know. You see what I deal with? I'm going to go over there and left a comment. I don't say nothing, you know, I just bless up. I just bless up the dog and make him know so well there. And that me I talk about. I'm a mover. In no time, I see something come in on my phone. When I look at 10 Star TV, this look a fucking jockstrap sniffing dog, Zin, run over my channel, run up for my comment on me, and I tell me, which way? What yoy? And I tell me, but oh, a 20 year now cartel there in the business, and one gold record him get, and this and that and that and this. So, hello, mad thing, my brother. You see what I say? And I tell him about this and that and all kind of crap. Yo, jockstrapping, sniffing, boy, let me tell you something, you know. No laugh for it, you know, my brother. I'm not deal with gimmicks thing, you know, because half your money you look, you know. You know what I mean? And you know, there ain't no farm. No farm of shaky blood there in my vein. You hear that? So just don't play with me, son. Because you don't say nothing at all to Love Lane. Nothing me I watch it, you don't say nothing at all to the man. So me hunt on the place and I search. Yo, me no love man. Hear me no man? Of the world it's not a plan. Yo, watch how I go on carefully, because I feel like a lollipop thing. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10 Star general. You know it go already, you know. When I come for represent a full effect thing, you know it go. I'm load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion, boy. Yeah. Watch me, no, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Respect, you know, my general. Bless up. All right. Yeah, Gaza Nation. The man run out from me and I try for violate. Yo, so tell me which artist in a dance hall have a blood clot gold record without an international bomber clot company. I push it. Talk no man. What more no mouth and chat no man. Jockstrap sniffing boy, I'm so forward and do that. You see what I say? Which artist you don't know have an individual goal record without a big record label that behind him thing and push him thing? Let me tell you something, you know, dog. You say if you don't know what you chat about, you come hold up an argument with me, you know. A general thing me deal with, you know. General not take talk from people, you know. A orders general give out, you know. Don't feel like a gimmicks thing, you know. I don't feel like a lollipop thing, you know. Because let me tell you something, you know. Not one drip of fog up blood in my vein, you know. So me no fuck man in a boy, so don't come over my place. Come Come and hold up no form of waste argument with me like a man you are looking at. On my channel, you know, I just make a comment. Me no OD or nothing. Me say that me a talk about. And you come and talk about at 10 star. At your mama bumbo clock. Why you go fool up yourself underneath your girl boy? What wrong with you? Eh? Your finger them a give you blood clot problem. Push them in your blood clot mouth and bite them off no body boy. What's wrong with you now? What's wrong with you look a jockstrap sniffing blood clot boy? Me see what I'm doing, you know. Not because you know, hear me not say nothing, you know. My catch cold, you know. Not because you know, hear me not say nothing to you know. Me see what I'm doing, you know. Or what do you me hear some man not come out, you know, and claim say, you know, my father do this song off of Vybz Kartel, you know. So I'm ask you something. If Vybz Kartel is not the man in a dance hall, why everything una have jump and I call Vybz Kartel name? Because my father can't drop a track and get all highlight when deserve without Vybz Kartel name I for call. Because I not see Vybz Kartel a drop no track and I call no man name, you know. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing no there in my game. I not represent no lollipop way. A real way I represent. You see what I say? Yo, shish kebab. Don't forget say a prison world boss there, you know. And don't forget a prison world boss there and that sell goal, you know. I'm going to tell you something, you know, boy. Gold record not done come yet, you know, boy. Because remember, you know, some of the man them who no see sell gold, you know, with this big record label behind them, you know. Kartel do it in a shorter span than them, you know. Let me tell you something, you know. A 4-year fever take and sell gold, you know. So you try know that, you know, jockstrap sniffing boy. You see what I say? You know nothing about some look of fun boy. I feel like someone can come hold up bumbuckler argument with real bumbuckler man. Hey boy, no what I do, you know. You see what I say? Because man, you know, nah try for violate, you know. My father them now, none of the man them come. Don't see say my father go through trial and tribulation, you know. But it come like, you know, me don't know if I step on or want me step, you know. I don't know me a concrete stepper, you know. You know what I mean?
Thank you.
Welcome. You don't know me a concrete stepper. You don't know anywhere at all me step on from and shake it go broke off. So me don't know I want no one. You know what I mean? Sometimes, you know, I don't cause it on the artists them, you know. Because I come and run on the mouth, you know. No, me not deal with lollipop thing, you know. As we Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. I always tell you know, for understanding myself, you know, or no bend down and blow on myself, you know. You're not in a class whatsoever where music concerned. If you're not going to talk about Gaza or Vybz Kartel, yo, understand what you're not doing a jockstrap sniffing boy. You know what I mean?